doing today. I'm going to show you how to take apart your PS4 controller to clean it. Because we all know that after playing on it for so long, after so much time, you have all this little grease and corrosion around your fingers that build up inside of your buttons and around them, and eventually will cause them to stick or either not work right. And now when that happens, that does not mean that you have to throw it out and go buy a new controller. I'm trying to save y'all $50, $60, $100. Alright? Now, you see I already have mine halfway apart, okay? This is just to speed up the process a little bit and kind of show you exactly what happens and how. Alright? First, you have 4 screws on the back of your remote. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to take those out with a little Phillips head screwdriver. This is what I have. It works fine for me. Something little is all you need. Alright? Then what you want to do is pop it apart, but be careful with it because you want to get the back part off. You don't want to pull it from the front. You want to pull it from the back. Alright, and then you have to go kind of up and over these back triggers, and then it will come off easily. But there's also a ribbon band right here, you see inside of it, that connects to right here beside your battery. Now when this is halfway off, what you want to do is just barely pull that out. Just barely pull it out and it will come right off. And the next thing you'll have to do is remove your battery, okay? Now your battery is easy. There's a little plastic clip right here on the side of it. Alright? All you have to do is just pull that side up and unplug the little power prong on that side of it. And it will just pull right out of there, just like so. Now, right here, there's one screw right here. It's a little tiny black screw that's holding this board down. Alright? You want to take out this little screw, also with the tiny Phillips head, and then there's 2 prongs, one over here and one over here, one here, here. All you want to do is just pull them apart away from it, which will then grant you, come on, this thing's gonna be a little pain in the butt sometimes. That little prong right there, bam. And then this will come up like so. Now, right here, your knobs are going to pull out, your thumbsticks, okay? Just want to be real careful with it. And kind of pull it up. Alright. Now with my remote, the issue is one of the thumbs is not working right, which would be me for running. You have to push it in to run in a lot of games. That's what's going on with mine. So what I'm going to do now is I don't need to take anything else apart. Now this is for the thumbs, okay? The buttons are a little more easier. You don't have to take all this apart to do it. You could just actually take Q-tips and a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip and go around each of your buttons on the other side and actually clean them like that. Alright, so these, your thumbsticks, will pull right off. See, I had something stuck in it right there. Pull right off. Now, Sometimes you have to make sure none of the soldering spots are loose. It's right here, you can see where all the little solder marks are. Sometimes when you push them in so much for, using the remote so much, that they will start to break loose after time, right? You have to check little things like that. So in my case, mine is actually not loose anywhere, which is good for me. So this should be a little easier on me. Kind of wiggling back and forth and kind of feel for it. If you can feel it grabbing anywhere, or grinding or rubbing, or click them in. See, it actually feels like nothing is wrong with mine at all, but I know there is. But a little piece of something just actually came out of this, one of my thumb things right here, and that might have actually been the problem the whole time. Now, putting it back together, you do the same thing, just in reverse. You click these back on. They're kind of squarish right here. You want to just match it up and just gently stick them back, and they'll pop right back in place. Now there's 2 wires on each side of this. You want to just gently put it back down in there and hook everything back up and just put it like it was. And there's not many things to it, not for this process. There's only a few screws, and snap a couple things down, and bam bam, you're done. So if you all are having problems with your joysticks or your triggers, this is the way you get in there and clean it. A little bit of alcohol, just go around inside of it. Anywhere you see dirty, dust, grime, just gently clean it out. That's it. That's all you have to do, and it'll make it clean, and I guarantee you it will work properly again. Unless there's a deeper lying issue that you can't see with your eye, you have to kind of know what you're doing and feel for things and find stuff. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope it really helps you. You can do this anytime you need to clean your remote after. I'd say do it about once every 6 months if you play a lot. And that's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope I saved you $50, $60, $100. Like and subscribe, man. Thank y'all for watching.